All right, here are all the ingredients I use for these oven-baked barbecue neck bones. I have a little over 4 pounds of neck bones here, sweet and smoky seasoning, Lawry seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, brown sugar, salt, pepper, Dr. Pepper, and Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use any barbecue sauce of choice. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's because that's my favorite. And I have a honey barbecue this time. So let's get this ball rolling. Just putting a little bit now. Just enough to. That's how you want to see. Just sear it on the side. Now I'm gonna put these necks right back in the pot. And they're all just browned on each side. And they should all fit in this pot, I'm hoping. Just place them in there as evenly as possible. My oven is ready. It's on 325. Now I'm gonna cook these slowly. All right, here's the chicken stock, and this is probably about a half a cup to a 3/4 of a cup. Let's get this meat covered and put in the oven on 325. As you can see, the lid is placed on top and they are in the oven on 325. And I'm going to cook these for probably about an hour and a half. And then I'll come back and put in my barbecue sauce. So stay tuned. It's almost at that 1.5 hour mark. I'm going to prepare my barbecue sauce. And this is about a cup, maybe a cup and a half. Start off with about a half a cup of Dr. Pepper. And we're just going to kind of stir that around a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna add a little more barbecue sauce for my meat. I have plenty of meat. Here's our meat so far. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna just flip the meat over. Barbecue sauce added in. I'm gonna end up adding some more barbecue sauce. Looks like this is not enough. But we're gonna let this cook in first. All right, place the lid back on. And it's going back in the oven for another hour and a half. All right, this is how it's looking right now. And as you can see, there's a lot of grease. And I'm gonna take a lot of that out. And then I'm gonna put my last layer of barbecue sauce on it, and then we'll put it back in the oven for a little bit uncovered. Here, this is all of the oil that I took out. Look at these barbecue neck bones. Don't they look delicious? Woo! Makes you want to just stick your hand in that video and pull one out. Have a blessed day, y'all.